Who doesn't love some trusty blue jeans? Whether they're skinny, baggy, or even ripped, you probably have a pair or two in your closet. A staple for casual wear, but have you ever wondered how these iconic pieces of clothing are made? It's denim, yes. But how does fluffy cotton get turned into the rugged, comfortable jeans you love to squeeze into? Let's talk about all of that and more in today's video. We already know jeans are the ultimate wardrobe staple, but have you ever wondered how these iconic pants came to be made? From durable denim or dungaree cloth, jeans have a really interesting history. And it all starts with necessity and innovation. Let's rewind to 1873 when Jacob Davis and Levi Strauss invented what we now call jeans. But their journey started even earlier. And you might be surprised to know it's a story of two continents. Of the California gold rush. Like many, he saw it as an opportunity to strike gold. Not exactly in the mines, but in business. He moved to San Francisco and set up the western branch of his family's dry goods company. Here he sold different items, including bolts of cotton cloth. Among his many customers was Jacob W. Davis, a talented tailor based in Reno, Nevada. Jacob specialized in creating functional goods like tents, horse blankets, and wagon covers, catering to the rugged needs of the time. But it wasn't until one fateful day that his life and fashion history changed forever. One of Jacob's customers came to him with a request. He wanted a pair of pants tough enough to endure hard labor. Jacob reached for denim he'd purchased from Levi Strauss & Co. to make the pants even more durable. He reinforced them with copper rivets at the stress points, pocket, and flies where pants tend to tear the most. Blue Jean was officially born. But the duo's innovation didn't stop there. With the growing demand for their sturdy workwear, Levi and Jacob opened a larger factory to produce jeans on a bigger scale. At first, jeans were solely designed for miners, farmers, and laborers, basically people who needed reliable clothing for tough jobs. But things changed over time. Jeans transcended their humble beginnings to become a cultural icon. Now, you'd see them on everyone from rebels to rock stars, and everyone in between. The partnership between Levi Strauss and Jacob Davis not only gave birth to a fashion staple, but also revolutionized workwear. Jeans have changed in style, fit, and purpose over the years, but they still hold on to the practicality and durability they were known for. Today, when you slip into a pair of jeans, you're wearing a piece of history. Durability and breathability, making it the perfect base material for denim. But not all cotton is created equal. Long staple cotton fibers, which are longer and finer, are especially valued for their strength and ability to create smoother, more durable fabric. Denim manufacturers often source the highest quality cotton to make sure their jeans can withstand years of wear and tear. Once harvested, the story of cotton takes a turn. First stop the ginning factories. Here, powerful ginning machines separate the cotton fibers from the seeds and any leftover plant debris. It's like a big cleanup session for the cotton. The freshly cleaned cotton is then pressed into giant bales and shipped off to spinning mills. At the mills, the cotton fibers are carefully combed, straightened, and twisted into yarns of varying thickness. The twisting process isn't just for durability. It plays a crucial role in shaping the texture and weight of the denim fabric. Past fades, those dramatic fades. Denim lovers can't get enough of them. Fast forward to 1963, and we got open-end spinning. The modern alternative. It's faster, cheaper, and produces a more uniform, slightly hairy yarn while it's efficient. Open-end denim doesn't quite deliver the same contrast when it fades, and it's less durable than its ring-spun counterpart. Despite their differences, both spinning methods share a few key characteristics: the thickness, texture, and twist of the yarn. Premium denim brands often lean towards superior spinning techniques, investing in high-quality yarn for that signature look and feel. Some of the best mills in the world, especially in Japan and Italy, have earned a reputation for crafting top-tier denim yarns that stand out. But what about stretch denim? This is where things get even more interesting. Everything else, it's not perfect. There are trade-offs, and understanding them helps you appreciate your favorite pair of jeans even more. Denim's signature blue hue isn't just a coincidence. It's all thanks to the magic of indigo dyeing. This ancient dye stuff has been around for millennia. In fact, in 2016, a 6,000-year-old scrap of indigo-dyed fabric was unearthed in Peru historically. Indigo came from natural sources like plants, but with the rise of chemical engineering, nearly all indigo used today is synthetic. This shift allows for consistent production, making sure we never run out of that unmistakable denim blue. The journey to achieving denim's color involves a methodical process. It starts with repeatedly dipping yarns into indigo baths and then exposing them to air. This technique, called rope dyeing, enables the indigo to oxidize as the inner dye wears off. The undyed core starts to peek through. This gradual fading is what gives jeans their signature. Worn in look. What makes indigo-dyed yarn truly unique is its imperfection. Because the dye doesn't penetrate the yarn's core, each strand has a white center. While indigo dominates the denim world, there's another player in the game: sulfur dyeing. Introduced in the 1970s as a cost-effective alternative, sulfur dyeing now has a creative role in denim production. It's often used to add tops and bottoms to indigo-dyed yarn. You get distinct casts that give denim more depth and character. Weaving gives denim its signature durability and look. Once dyed, the yarns are ready to be interwoven into the fabric we all recognize. So, denim owes its toughness to its unique weaving pattern. Two sets of yarn are intertwined at a 90-degree plus. Denim weaving comes into main styles, each with its own charm and story. Salvage denim is the OG of weaving. It's crafted on traditional shuttle looms at a slower pace, making the fabric tighter and stronger. The slower speed also allows for richer fades over time, which is why denim aficionados swear by it. Selvage edges are clean and often have a colorful stripe running down them, visible when jeans are cuffed, a detail that connoisseurs love for its history and aesthetic. Self-edge denim's production relies on three key motions. Shedding is separating warp threads, picking is inserting the weft thread, and battening is about pushing the weft into place. The picking step, done slowly on shuttle looms, is what sets self-edge apart from modern methods. Why goods denim is the modern alternative, woven on high-speed looms. It's faster and more cost-effective, but it doesn't have the iconic selvage edge. Is almost ready. Before denim fabric can be transformed into jeans, it has to go through some finishing processes to improve the quality and usability. Sanforization is one of the key steps. Heat and pressure are used to pre-shrink the fabric, making sure that your jeans won't unexpectedly shrink at their first wash. Singeing follows burning off loose fibers to create a smoother surface that feels better to the touch. In some cases, the fabric also goes through mercerization. This is a chemical treatment that improves dye absorption and adds a nice sheen. These finishing processes are divided into two categories. Functional finish prevent issues like shrinkage and improve durability, but creative finish improve the fabric's appearance and texture. When denim comes off the loom, it is in its raw loom state form. This lacks dimensional stability. Without proper treatment, it would shrink and twist. After washing, these finishing steps stabilize the fibers, ensuring the denim looks and feels wasted fabric, which affects costs and efficiency. Now the real magic happens: assembling the pieces into wearable jeans. On sewing lines, skilled workers carefully stitch the panels together, attach pockets, sew zippers, and create those iconic double-stitch seams. One standout feature: rivets. Remember, we talked about them at the start. They're the tiny metal fasteners at pocket corners. Today they're as much about style as they are about functionality. Freshly sewn jeans come off the line stiff and uniform, but that's far from what modern consumers want. To achieve the soft feel and lived-in character that people love, jeans go through washing and distressing processes. In stone washing, pumice stones tumble with the jeans to create a faded, Broken and look sandblasting uses high-pressure sand to create distress patches. Leather or durable fabric and are sewn on. The jeans are then pressed to remove any wrinkles and folded neatly for packaging. Quality control teams inspect each pair to make sure there's no unintentional tear or fault. Once approved, the jeans are ready for distribution. Denim's timeless, but its production has been resource-heavy. Thankfully, the industry is embracing more sustainable practices to reduce its environmental footprint. Many manufacturers now recycle water during dyeing, a game-changer in conserving this precious resource. Organic cotton is also becoming a popular alternative to conventionally grown cotton, and techniques like laser distressing are also making waves. While classic jeans were made from 100% cotton, modern pairs often include a small percentage of elastane or polyester. This blend adds flexibility and comfort, making jeans more adaptable to today's active lifestyles. Well, there you have it. If you liked today's video and want to know more about how your everyday items are made, check out our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.